Yo guys, what's going on? Listen, you want some movies, TV shows, live TV, you name it on your Fire Stick, you've come to the right place. First thing is first. Downloader is going to be our friend. Yes, currently, June, almost June 2023, Downloader a few days ago was just removed from the Google Play Store. Don't tell Amazon. Click on Downloader because this is what we're going to need. Downloader will let us sideload external third-party apps, first-party apps, whatever party apps, all the apps you could ever imagine. Get yourself a nice, reliable VPN. I would suggest NordVPN today. Just type in Nord underneath your search icon and open it, get it, download it. Use the link below to get 65% off and everything runs smoothly for here on out. So when we open it up, it's going to ask you where you'd like to be. Today, I'm in the States. Works for me. Go home. Next thing, click on Downloader, get it, download it, do it today. Once we're in here, it's going to go to this lovely ATF news store, and actually it says right in here, in 2 weeks, no thanks to Google. Oh dear. Let's go to the home. Under home, we're going to go to my personal website, ledbytheunknown.com, and you won't have to type all that in. Just this quick little short 546835 code, and it'll take you right there. There's a 5-second redirect, so just bear with us here. Once it's redirected, right to our website. Once in the website, guys, so we don't have to wait 5 seconds again, push the little hamburger button, click it to your favorites, and save it for tomorrow. Once you're in here, guys, just come on down to the downloads page, and under downloads we can download a bunch of great applications. Right now we're just going to head down, push when you're here, guys. I said get yourself a VPN, get out your phone, click this QR code, and it'll get you that promo price off, 63% off right there. There you go. Alright guys, Pluto TV, Zumo TV, take them both, put them on, watch them. How do you do that? Click on the handy little download button here. Wait for a few seconds for it to download this 11 meg file. Automatically starts to install, but oh, what happened? We forgot to jailbreak the Fire Stick. I bet you there'll be a comment in there. I did this on purpose. So, you don't have to jailbreak it right away. It wants you to take you to settings. You don't even have to look for it anymore. It's just going to take you there. Turn on ADB debugging, install unknown apps, and turn it on. Boom, jailbroken, side loading, enabled. Lock and load. Now we can push the install button. It's going to automatically install. When we go down to the bottom right there, click install. Take a few moments. And we're done. So click done. Do not open it yet, because we want to delete this APK file. You guys are going to download so many files from this web page that your eyes are going to burst, and if you didn't delete all these APK files, there'd be no more room on your Fire Stick. Delete. Do the same with Zumo. And head on down to check out more great apps. Just the down arrow on your Fire Stick remote. Okay, we've done that. Demo done. Let's go back home. Once we're back home, we have Nord enabled. Perfect. Go all the way down to the little 3 square plus sign. Can someone tell me what that damn symbol's supposed to mean? Your apps and games, I guess, symbol. Head on over to Downloader. Click the hamburger button again. Move it to the front. Go over to Pluto TV now. Click the hamburger button again. Move it to front. You get my drift here. Now we can move around our icons, guys. Super easy, super quick. Let's check out Pluto. Pluto TV, available everywhere for free. Live TV, movies, TV shows, you name it, it's there. I don't really want to get any copyright. Why did it do that? Anyways, as you can tell, Star Trek, Saving Private Ryan, 3 Kings, RuPaul, I don't know, Mission Impossible, you name it, NCIS, Top Gun. Keeps going, guys, just keeps going. Movies, TV shows. Look at it, Scream. Where else can you find 3 Screams right in a row? Cool. I hope you liked it. Peace. I got a cool trick for you. Watch this. You'll be amazed. You'll be so amazed. If your Fire TV stick's running slow, let's see how slow this one is running. I'm going to go over the search icon. I don't know why I keep going over there. Search. I'm going to do a speed test. Let's see if we can find a speed test. This is how I always like the one by Ookla. Speed test by Ookla. It's not even there. So I already have this one installed. So speed test Wi-Fi analyzer. Today, my internet is slow. Let's just do a quick test. Oh, I was already doing it. Quick test, 20, 30, 32 megs, 30, 40, Jesus. This is way above normal for me. 40 megs, nice. Up, come on. 9, 10, let's go, push it. 12. So apparently I can watch, almost do everything, really, with that? I don't know. Who thinks that's good? I used to. But come back in 10 minutes. Welcome to the part of the show that doesn't exist, guys. Alright, so what happened to Downloader? Downloader taken down off Google Play Store because some country said it is able to, I don't know, it's able to do what every other web browser can do. Chrome does the same thing as Chrome. Firefox, yep, does the same thing as Firefox. What's that other called? Edge? Who uses that anymore? I don't know. Edge? Brave? Yeah, they all do the same. There's the one on this Fire Stick. I can't remember what it's called, but right there. That's it. Pretty cool. Anyways, guys. Let's just type in here, browser. Let's get him to show up. Browsers. Look at all these browsers. Oh, the Nord's not one. What's this? Fast internet search. Click simply kiosk. Like, what are these? So, a lot of download manager. No, that's not a browser. There. That's the Silk. All these browsers, and Downloader gets to be the one who gets to pay the penalty. Why? Apparently it does something special no other browser can do. Wait, all those other browsers do it all the time. Someone's got to give their head a shake. Anyways, guys, That's my rant for today. Peace.